Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. If you're staring at that frustrating LG TV Error Code 7 on your 2025 model, don't panic. We're here to help you get your screen back up and running in no time. This error often pops up due to software glitches, outdated firmware, or even simple connection problems, but the good news is that most fixes are straightforward and can be done from home. First, let's break down what Error Code 7 means. It typically signals an issue with your TV's internal software or external connections, like a faulty HDMI cable or an interrupted signal. Common culprits include unupdated firmware, power surges, or minor hardware hiccups. The key is to start with the easiest solutions before moving to more advanced ones. Step 1. Perform a simple power cycle. Turn off your TV, unplug it from the wall, and wait for at least 60 seconds. This gives the system a fresh start and can clear temporary errors. Once you plug it back in and turn it on, check if the error persists. If that doesn't work, inspect your cables. Make sure all HDMI and power cords are securely connected. Try swapping ports or using a different cable to rule out any faults there. Next, update your TV's software. Head to the Settings menu, go to Software Update, or About this TV, and download any available updates. This often resolves bugs that cause Error Code 7. If you're still seeing the error, consider a factory reset, but use this as a last resort, as it will erase your custom settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset to Initial Settings, and follow the prompts. In rare cases, this might point to a hardware issue, like a problem with the motherboard or display panel. If none of these steps help, reach out to LG customer support or take it to an authorized service center. There you have it, quick and effective ways to tackle LG TV Error Code 7. Remember, always handle your electronics carefully to avoid causing more issues. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.